Hello friends. Today, in this video, actually, we are not going to study anything. This is just going to be a normal, informal talk between us. I hope most of you must have given the exams and waiting for the results, and a lot of you must be tensed. This is why we are here. The first thing that I'll ask you guys to do is not to get tensed at all. Something very simple is there that what you have already done in your exam is done. You cannot change it. Whatever you want to do, but you cannot go back and change it. And ultimately, the result is already decided. So there is no need to get tensed about it. Whatsoever has to happen will happen. Nobody can change it. Actually, if you get tensed, what actually is happening is that you are losing your health. This is the first most important thing. The second thing is that you are losing your time also. This is the time of your life. You should enjoy your life. Okay, you have already given the exams. Why to worry about it? Whatever has to happen will happen. So there is no need to worry about it. Just wait for the results and be easy. God willing, most of you will get through. I hope that most of us or most of you guys are going to get through the exam. But in any case, if the result is negative, then also there is no need to worry. You just need to sit down and think about that what exactly is it, where you missed it. Maybe the most important reason or the common reason why you may miss the exam is that you were tensed even before the exam itself, not only at this time. There should be some tension, but not that you lose your own life because of this tension. Just enjoy it. What actually is going to happen, I'll just tell you that if you don't enjoy at this point of your time in your life, in future there are a number of things, there are bigger challenges. If you worry about this very small challenge, then what will you do in future? And ultimately also when you'll get to your PGs and you get married and everything, the time to enjoy is gone. So this is the time. Don't get tensed at all, not at all. And the second thing is that failure is a sign of success. The only person who does not fail is a person who has never tried to do anything at all. जिसने कभी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं किया तो फेल होने की बात ही नहीं है. फेल आप तभी होंगे जब आप कुछ करेंगे. Okay? So failure in itself is just a sign of success. You do it. Unless and until you fail in your life at some stage, you don't feel the joy of success. So that way out, failure is a very good thing. It makes you understand life. It makes you feel the joy of success. So don't worry about it, whatever be the result. And hopefully, as I said, the result is going to be good for most of us. I won't promise for all of us, definitely. But for most of us, I've seen a lot of guys who failed in the first attempt, and the funny part is that person, he appeared for his MCA exam, he failed it, and in the very same attempt along with it, he appeared for MRCS and he scored 87% in MRCS. So can you think about it? There are a number of factors that play a part in the exams. What is your mental status? How did you prepare for it? What was the condition of the day of the exam? So there are a number of factors. You cannot take care of all of them. So there is no need to be worried about it. और वैसे भी 6 महीने में फिर होना ही एग्जाम. If you get tensed, then definitely whatever you are going to do in the future is going to be hampered by it. So it is better just be easy and enjoy it. Enjoy life. It's all part and parcel of life. All of you guys must be knowing our very own actor Amitabh Bachchan. What actually is his story? Do you think that he immediately became the number one actor in our country? Initially, when he was starting his career, he was even rejected a job in the All India Radio. And what was the point why they rejected him? They said that your voice is not that we can recruit you for radio. And now we say that it is the voice of Amitabh Bachchan which is the best part of that actor. And he has become number one. So he also did not succeed in one day. He also tried and tried. The first movie that he got, probably the name of the movie was Saath Hindustani. What was his role? At most it was 10 to 15 minutes in the movie. And from there to now where he is, just look at it. So just think about, don't get depressed. Actually, it should give you a motivation to work harder. Somewhere there is something that you may have missed. The very first thing is to look about what exactly was that we missed. And the second thing is to plan out. Because what we usually do, and the commonest mistake is that we study a lot, but we don't plan it. The studies should be well planned. So before starting your studies, if you require it, hopefully you'll get through, but if not, then the first thing that you have to do is to plan your own studies. Okay? Actually, you must have seen a lot of memes about it कि आपने घबराना नहीं है. तो आपने घबराना नहीं है, कतई नहीं घबराना है, किसी भी चीज से नहीं घबराना है. Okay? That is a very serious thing actually. We take it as comedy. But actually, this is the most important thing. The moment you become tensed, the moment you are anxious, you lose everything. Be brave. Face whatever is to come. If the result is good, we are definitely going to enjoy, all of us. And if in any case it is not so good, then we'll do it once again. We'll get the good result. So just don't need to worry about it. Don't be anxious about it, what the result is going to be. Just enjoy your life. This time that you lose is never going to come back. Just enjoy your life. Nothing else. The whole life is there to worry about a lot of different things. Okay? So that's it. Just don't worry about it. Hopefully, we'll all get through. So, in the end, I wish you all a very happy new year and best wishes for your result from Team Nixtilla. Let us forgive ourselves for the mistakes that we may have done in the past and have a new beginning. I want you all to make a resolution to make 2022 the best year of our lives. A big thank you from the Team Nixtilla. Stay safe and thank you.